guys, good afternoon. His name is Blanco and he didn't eat lunch because he did not feel okay. He's feeling sick. No, I didn't came here yesterday. Just now, maybe he just missed me. Lang. Miss mama. Pero yung longganisa, kumain siya. Baka gusto niya lang siguro ng masarap ulit ng ulala. Gusto mo yung sarap ulit. Logi ng mami ko. Welcome to my guys! Welcome! Wawa naman. Wawa ang bunso. He's not feeling well.